Hey everybody, so today we've got an unboxing of this Balenciaga Rodeo bag in the small. So I'm just opening it right now. Comes with a little card. Thank you for shopping with Balenciaga. And that's kind of it. So I ordered this from Bloomingdale's and they told me that it was shipped straight from Balenciaga itself. So it's kind of a little disappointing here that there's no box or anything. They just kind of wrapped it up in this gray tissue. So I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap this. Okay, so it comes in a gray Balenciaga dust bag. Let me move this to the side. Okay, so let's see here. I'm gonna undo these. Okay, so this just says it's black. All right, so the leather feels pretty soft. It does have a smell. Kind of smells like leather. A little off though. Everything is kind of wrapped up in tissue. Let me take this off. These are just some key rings, it looks like. And it says, made in Italy, Balenciaga, Paris. Okay. So here is a strap. Take this off. Okay. So this is the, let me see if I can move this. So this is the handle here. Definitely has a smell. It's not quite leather though. So this is knotted. I'll undo this. This is the crossbody strap. So here's how the bag opens and closes. It's a little turn lock. Does have these weird creases here. So I kind of wasn't expecting that, but maybe that's how it's supposed to be. Unsure. So leather is pretty soft. I mean, I think as this bag gets worn, it will slouch a little bit more. And I kind of love the slouchy look. I have a lot of vintage Balenciaga cities and firsts. And I love how they slouch. So I'm hoping this will be like a slouchy version of the Kelly bag, which is kind of the look. And I really like that look. Some cards here in the pocket. All right. So next week, I am going to have a full review of this bag and let you know what I think. But looking at it, the leather is really nice. I think as you wear it, this bag will have that worn look and it'll look really beautiful. But for now, I don't know how I feel about these creases in the leather. Was not expecting that. All right, well, that's it for today. Thanks for letting me do an unboxing. See you next week with a review. Take care.